Here are my gift recommendations for your product manager friends this Christmas. Number 1 is a subscription to Lenny's newsletter, one of the best product newsletters out there. Very affordable if you want to just grab them a subscription for a month, but if you want to do a whole year, depending on how good of a friend they are, that's $150. Next is a subscription to the Technically blog. This is going to be great for your PM friends who you heard complaining that they don't understand what engineering is talking about. I think this is about $8 a month. I'm not sure what the annual cost is, but it's really affordable. The next one is Skip Level. This is an on-demand online course for, again, becoming more technical. This one's a little bit more pricey because of the type of content that's in here. So maybe you could pay for a portion of this. I also have a discount code that will give you $100 off. The next one is a book, and it's specifically for your female friends working in the tech world or in the business world. It's by Deborah Liu, and it's not actually out yet, so you can pre-order it. I obviously can't give you a review, but Deborah's content is absolutely amazing, so this could be a good option. And chances are, if you have a female friend working in product, working in tech, they probably have heard of Deborah. Next is another book recommendation that will never work, which is really The Netflix Story. It's one of my favorite books of all times. This could be really, really great for any of your friends who work in product, but they also have an entrepreneurial streak and they eventually want to build their own startup. Especially if they're a little bit older, because the founder of Netflix did not start Netflix until he was in his early 40s. He had a family, 3 kids, all that stuff. So it's a great reminder that it's never too late. And just a really cool story of how this product has evolved over the years. Next, if you're really not sure what to get them and they like reading or they want to make more time for reading, get them an Audible subscription. You could buy them a few credits so that they can read a few different books. Again, a really great book for people working in tech and product management. Last but not least, if you have a really small budget, get them a whiteboard with some Post-its. I guarantee you, especially if they have a home office, they are gonna love this. Next is tryexponent.com. This is an amazing tool if you are interviewing. So if you have someone who is looking for their next product job, or maybe they're even trying to get into product and they're taking interview prep very seriously, get them a subscription to this. It's $79 for 1 month or $12 a month if you sign up for an annual subscription, which annually works out to be pretty affordable. Exponent is no joke. It is absolutely amazing. And last but not least, if you don't really have a budget to spend on gifts, that's totally fine. Please recommend my product templates to your friends. I have a roadmap template, a requirements template, a startup pitch deck template, and a career goal setting template. Totally free, and all of them have had thousands of downloads.